Welcome to DeFi Crypto Today. Our topic today is OlympusDAO on Avalanche. Can you imagine? Yeah, so OHM token now, actually the wrapped staked OHM token can now be bought on Avalanche. So if you're a bit like me and you're cheap and you hate paying huge gas fees on Ethereum, because so far the OHM token was only available on Ethereum, then you got a deal. You can now buy wrapped staked OHM token on Avalanche. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So how did I find out? Well, it turns out that if you go to the Zeus Twitter account, which is the guy behind OlympusDAO, okay, they say there's now liquidity for wrapped staked OHM, wsOHM or wsOHM, on the sushi swap for Arbitrum. I don't use Arbitrum much though, and it's a little bit more costly, I think, than Avalanche. But if you prefer Arbitrum, you can go to Sushi Swap and do it there. And TraderJoe on Avalanche. So here they say use any swap network if you need to bridge things over, whatever. And then eventually they say there's going to be more liquidity and incentives later this week. So things are coming. But right now what we can do is use this. So if you're an Arbitrum and you set up your Metamask wallet for Arbitrum, you're going to need this address to get the wrapped stake OHM token to appear on your Metamask in Arbitrum. Similarly, you're going to need this address to do the same thing for Avalanche. Okay. Otherwise, if you buy those tokens, they're not going to show on your Metamask because Metamask is stupid. And the people at Metamask just I don't know what they're thinking, but anyway, they could make their application, add the tokens faster, easier, whatever. But anyway, you have to do everything manually like it's the 20th century. What is that? All right. So, I already did this. I added the wsOHM token to my Metamask. So now I'm on the Avalanche network. I look at my assets, and if I go down, right now I added the wsOHM right here. All right. So whenever I'm buying those tokens, they're going to appear here, okay? And they're already pre-staked, so they already gather interest automatically, okay? So you don't need to go on this website and go to the stake, and you don't need to connect your wallet, and you don't need to stake them on this. You don't. It's already done automatically. It's already done. Okay. So, how do we get those tokens? You say. So we go to TraderJoe. Now, right now this is new, so there's not like a zillion dollars of liquidity in there. So the simplest way to get it, because there's only the MIM wsOHM token liquidity pair on TraderJoe right now, you should get yourself some MIM tokens. So if you've got other things like AVAX tokens, USDC, USDT, whatever, convert them to MIMs first on TraderJoe, trade them, swap them. Okay. And here I'm going to perform it for you right here. We'll see if it works together. And the nice thing is we're paying the gas in AVAX tokens, so it's a lot cheaper it's going to cost about, I don't know, $1 instead of paying 60 or whatever on the Ethereum network. And we're also saving the staking fee. Think about that. On Ethereum, we have to do two things. Let's say we're buying, we're swapping our tokens for the OHM token on anything, Uniswap or whatever. So we pay for that in gas, so it's about $60 currently. And then you need to stake on top, and I forget what the staking price is, but it's at least $40. Okay, so it's like $100. So what if you're like a small investor like me right now, and I've got only a couple $100, I'm using that for demonstration. So I'm just showing what, you know, small investors can do here. It's demonstration, people. So what are those people to do? Well, now they have a solution. Before they had no solution. They said, I can't use OHM. I'm going to waste all my money on gas. Well, now you don't have to. You're paying about $1. Okay, so let's try this. So we already put our MIMs here. We're going to approve the MIM. And it's good to check the price impact. Right now it's 0.05%. That's tiny. It's not going to hurt us too much. Okay. So we pay for this. Okay, we confirm. Yes, look, it's working. So that's the approve process. Now we still have to do the swap process. So that's coming. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, ready to swap. So see, we're getting our WSOHM. And confirm the swap, pay gas again. Okay, so see, it's only 0.003673 AVAX. It's a lot cheaper than Ethereum. Okay, so now it's pending, and if all goes well, this is going to become 0, and this is going to become whatever it is in WSOHM token. Okay, see, it's confirming already. All right, so we're going to see how many wrapped staked OHM tokens we're getting. Now remember, they're staked already, so you're getting your rebase automatically in the token. Okay, so you're not gonna see them in here. You're not. You're gonna see them in here. So let's go back here. Okay, so we should have 0.0114857 wsOHM token on this Metamask. So check the assets. It's at the bottom. Okay, so 0.011 wrapped wsOHM. So it worked. Okay, so this is where you keep your OHM, your wrapped staked OHM token on Avalanche. You're not going to see them on the OlympusDAO website. You don't need to stake them on the OlympusDAO website to get the rebase, because it's got the little S there. You see the little S right here? The S means it's staked already. If it's staked already, it's earning interest automatically. The W is because it's wrapped. They wrap it. They put a little box, they put a gift wrap around it and a bow, so that it works on Avalanche. Okay, all right. That's what the wrapping does. Okay, wrapping is code. Okay, allows you to use the OHM token on a different network. That's what it's for. All right. Okay, so that worked. Now, here's what I'm expecting. I haven't seen it yet, but what I'm expecting, let's check. Maybe it's already there, but I doubt it. So we've got Abracadabra money, and Abracadabra money works on multiple blockchains, right? And typically, we can deposit assets there. So let's check what we've got on Avalanche. Oh, sorry, already on Avalanche. So let's go to stake. Sorry, not stake. What am I saying? It's borrow. Let's go to borrow. Okay, it's not there yet. All right, what I'm expecting is that it's quite possible. Okay, I didn't ask Daniele, but it's quite possible that Daniele will want to add the wrap staked OHM token to this list of assets here. Okay, because it's essentially the same concept as the wrapped memo that you see here. The memo token is stake time from Wonderland. Okay, so this asset gathers yield. Okay, it's a yield bearing asset, and the staked OHM, the sOHM or wrapped staked OHM, is also a yield bearing asset, so it gains value over time. Okay, and on Abracadabra money you can deposit regular assets like AVAX and yield bearing assets like wrapped memo and wrapped staked OHM. Okay, and you can borrow MIMs against it if any MIMs are available. In this case here for wrapped memos, those are too popular and they're gone already. And poor AVAX, nobody wants that. Nobody wants to borrow against AVAX. It's already, there's 13 million MIM available, but nobody wants them. Oh, it's sad, right? But anyway, I'm expecting that at some point you're going to see it here. So check Abracadabra from time to time. It might show up. Okay, so what that would allow you to do is, well, it's risky, but it allows you to not sell your wrapped staked OHM tokens, let them gather interest on their own, okay? And you deposit them here and use them as collateral, and you can borrow a percentage of the value of those wrapped staked OHM tokens as MIM tokens, and you can do whatever you want with those MIM tokens. You can buy other assets, you can buy more staked OHM, you can buy memo tokens, you can buy whatever, AVAX, anything. So, short video, that's it. If you like this kind of stuff, please like and subscribe. The algorithm at YouTube is begging you to do it. Just do it. And don't forget to ring the bell to know when I'm publishing another video. Download the free book. It's free. Okay, some people don't like free stuff, so they can go to Amazon and give Jeff Bezos $5.99, and Jeff will generously give me a check for $1 later. See you later.